a small bug that we have in the settings. We found out that we have one user, Castillo, that we're unable to fit his whole email address in. So if we go Castillo at usaindustries.com and we try and save that, for some reason it saved at that time, but typically we get a command that says incorrect spelling, and the word is spelled it's spelled incorrectly, and that it says please input current, and it's CORRENT instead of that. Never got that to work before. That's strange that it worked just then, because there was not enough characters before. Let's try and extend the characters and see if I can make that happen. We'll add a bunch more in there. There it is. You can see the word please input CORRENT instead of correct. It says current, and it should say correct. Let me see if I can do it again, get it to pop up. There it is. Change the N to a C. Okay, we'll cancel that. Okay, moving forward, we're going to go back to log out, log in. I'm going to go ahead and go in as an admin. It doesn't matter. I can go in as Angel Castillo and it has the same results. Maybe we'll try A Castillo. A Castillo. And I think it's A Castillo again. Get the correct sign in. Okay, we're in under a standard user. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my password here as a standard user. And I have all this information here where I would change it, but I also have this tab right here. It's users. This users tab needs to be hidden, because when I click on the users tab, it gives me administrative right access to all of the names that I can go in and take A Castillo and change them from a normal to an admin if I wanted to. So this button needs to be hidden on change the password. Okay, our next problem is a little bit more complex in that what we're going to do is we're going to make a selection on inventory. We'll do paddle blinds for an example. We'll do a search. Here's all these paddle blinds. And just for the heck of it, I'm going to select all of these in this category and add them. Now, what happens is I have this information here. It gives me my part number. There's my ID number, by the way, that it's line number in the system. This is important for the category administration under product. But we want to add a column right here that is a line PO number. Typically what happens is that we'll take information that is in an Excel format and we'll try and transfer it wherever we can to be able to save time, number one, and the other one is to be able to reduce the number of mistakes. But typically what happens is they'll go with line PO number line 1 and goes through and it'll give us that order. Now what happens is while we add these numbers, this will always sort. When we load this into our rental sales order, it'll sort from the smallest to the largest by group number. Now if we make any changes, we pull any of these out, then it changes the sort order again. What we're looking for is the PO number, and to have a button here that will allow us to keep this sort like this, but click on it for customer line PO sort. Now again, I'm going to go back to the product list. We got them all here. We're going to add the column that will be the line PO number from the customer that will allow us to sort it 1 through 100 or whatever. So that information will not only appear there, but when we make a change and we sort that, change it to PO sort, then any document that I produce will also produce that same sort order, whether it's the packing list, the return list, the invoice,